myself Mrs. Rosaline Nirmala, Department of Physical Science, Dr. SNS College of Education. In this BMC video, we are going to see about the space infrastructure company. It will be continued by our mentee, Atmika Gandhi.
Hi, I am Atmika Gandhi, pursuing Bachelor of Education in Computer Science at Dr. SNS College of Education. Here I am going to tell one of the business model canvas. The company name is Momentus. Here is the introduction. Momentus, Space Infrastructure Services Company. Momentus is a US commercial space setup founded in 2017 by physicist Mikhail Cockridge. The company focuses on providing space infrastructure services, which means building technology and vehicles that help satellites move and operate the space. The main goal of Momentus is to make space operation easier, cheaper and more efficient for satellite companies, governments and research organizations. Instead of satellites being placed directly in their final orbit by rockets, Momentus uses special orbit service vehicle, space tugs, to move satellites to their correct orbit after launch. Momentus uses an innovative propulsion system called the Microwave Electrothermal Thruster, which uses water as fuel and microwave energy to create plasma that pushes the spacecraft forward. This technology is considered more efficient and environmentally friendly than traditional rocket propulsion system. The company develops vehicles such as Vigoride, Android, and Vigoride, which transport satellites, support payloads and provide other in-orbit services. Momentus aims to build the basic infrastructure needed for the future space economy, including satellite transport, on-orbit services and supports to the space mission. Here I am going to explain the 9 building blocks of business model canvas using the example of Momentus. Space transportation and services. The business model canvas is a simple framework used to understand how a business creates, delivers and earns values it contains. It consists of 9 important modules. First thing is key partnership. There are the external organizations that help the company succeed. For Momentus, partnerships include launch providers like SpaceX, space agencies such as NASA, suppliers and government bodies. The partners are important because they provide technologies, resources and supports for space missions. The second thing is key activities. There are the main tasks the company performs. Momentus focuses on satellite transportation, orbital transfer services and mission planning. Their main job is to move satellites into the correct orbit and keep customer complete their space mission successfully. The third thing is key resources. There are the assets needed to run the business for Momentus. Resources include space vehicles like Vigoride, advanced technology and skilled engineers. Without these resources, the companies cannot operate efficiently. The fourth one is value proposition. This is one of the most important blocks because it explains why customers choose the company. Momentus offers last mile satellite delivery, low cost solution, efficient orbital placement, flexible development and in-orbit services. In simple words, they make satellite transportation easier, faster and more affordable. And the fifth one is customer relationship. The block explains how the company maintains relationship with customers. Momentus uses long-term contracts, technical support, mission assistance and client collaboration. This helps build trust and satisfaction among customers. The sixth one is channels. Channels are the ways the company reaches customers. Momentus uses direct sales, partnership with launch companies, space industry, conference and digital platforms like websites. These channels help to promote services and communicate with clients. The seventh one is customer segments. These are the target customers. Momentus mainly serves satellite companies, government agencies, defense sectors, research institutions and commercial space firms. Each group has different needs and the company provides solution accordingly. The eighth one is cost structure. This explains the major expenses of the company. Costs include research and development, spacecraft manufacturing, launch operations, salaries and infrastructures. In space, business needs advanced technology cost than usual. Then last one is revenue streams. This shows how the company earns money. Momentus generates income through satellite transport fees, payload hosting charges, government contracts, and long-term service agreements. Here is the conclusion. These 9 modules together help the understanding how a company works. The business module canvases helps planning and analyzing any business. In case of Momentus, it clearly shows how the company creates values of growing space industry. Thank you.